We rode the Wilderness Run Alpine coaster in the Sugar Mountain, North Carolina area, and it was a blast. Check it out.
We're about to do the Alpine coaster here in Banner Elk, North Carolina. You guys excited?
Yes, let's do it.
Again, pull back to slow down. You're not stopping the track unless it's an emergency. Once you get to the bottom, see the slow sign.
Awesome. All right. All right. We're on the Alpine coaster. This is gonna be awesome. Getting ready, going up. This is gonna be so much fun. We got the GoPro on going, so it should be cool. So you could either pay for one ride or for 3. Just buckle up, it's the law. We're buckled up. Push handles forward now. Handles forward now. Sweet. And the party begins. Handles are forward. Yes. That was pretty fun.
We're gonna have you hop off to the left, so we're gonna move you up to the next available car.
All right, cool.
Left side.
We're going for round 2. I got this thing strapped around my leg, so let's see how it goes. It is a pretty neat course, I gotta say. This is all the loops. It goes really fast. The scenery. Mikey! Good stuff. It's a pretty cool ride. Hey, Babu! Nice. That's my lady. So we paid for 3, and this is the 3rd one. Hey, you gotta do it, man. Like, how often are we here? Plus, that was so much fun. Like, you might as well just enjoy and be a kid again. Mike up ahead. Shut up! Look at this mountain scenery. Doesn't get much better than this. All right, we're just about there. Yeah. And the speed. Woo! Nice. I feel like I'm gonna fly off the corners. Woo! I love it. Woo! Ah, Babu! Where are you? All right, slow. Oh man, that was pretty awesome. All right, all the way forward. All right.
They have a nice little gift shop there where you can buy some swag and trinkets before or after your ride. When you finish the ride, you can also purchase the video photo package of your adventure. we purchased my wife's, which you will see at the end of the video.
Well, we were just talking about, because you have the option to kind of adjust your speed, and I just had it all the way the whole time.
Full speed the whole time.
And
Now he has a headache
and I do have a headache.
all the jolting around.
I guess I just assumed everybody was doing that,
Absolutely
but they're
not.
now
No.
I
correcting
did a
me.
little bit of it, but not the whole way. No way.
No, I thought it was gonna jump off.
Yeah.
It went fast. It's probably one of the fastest ones we've ever done.
On some of those sharp corners,
Yes.
yeah, I was like, it did kind of feel like, sure, maybe it could, maybe it could pop off.
But that still didn't make him want to, let me add a little brake to it.
That's fearless, man.
I thought I was supposed to do that. And we had this awesome scenery all around. It was pretty awesome. Overall, what did everybody think?
A lot of fun.
Awesome.
Yeah, it was a
fun.
blast.
Yes, and next time we come to Beech Mountain, we got to do it again.
Yep.
Yes.
Check it out. The link for the place is in the description. Peace.
Woo!
Guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please like and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos, and we'll see you on the next adventure, guys. Cheers.
Oh.